Good morning, everybody. Yes, hello. I can see few of my friends joining out there. Hello, people. So, it's a great Saturday morning, and many of you have been following me in the last 2 days, wherein I was sharing some tips on how we can be happy in life, in all aspects of what we are doing. And here I would want to share today is day three on the one more tip or one more way in which we can be happy. So let me give a couple of seconds wherein I can see my friends and uh, known good people joining out there. So yes, I hope everybody has started off having a good weekend. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Hi. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So, as people are joining in, just to give a quick recap, last 2 days, as I was live, I spoke about two different rules in which basically by following it, you can really be happy in life. The first one was gratitude, and the second one was right comparison, right? So go back to the videos if you have not watched. It is still there active in my Facebook as well as in my YouTube channel, and you can see we have spoken in detail about what it really means to be happy and how can you really be happy. Yeah. So in today's this video, I want to talk about the third element or the third principle which you can really follow to be happy, and that is acceptance. Many of us agree that I am not happy or I am happy, but the acceptance of that is something which is lacking or which we don't really take into. So, as my friends are joining in, let me go a little bit more and explain you what that really means. Let's take an example wherein, due to some situation, your mood is not good, or you're really feeling bad, or you're really feeling sad about things, right? The moment that feeling comes into you or that emotion triggers in you, you are like your brain closes out. Basically, you don't know what to do next. Your thought process is kind of blocked, and I'm sure many of you would agree to me, right? I mean, once you are into that mood, because we are all emotional beings, ups and downs, happiness, sadness, these are all bound to happen. And when this kind of emotion comes in you, or when we face it, the general tendency is that, oh man, I am not feeling good. Oh, I am not feeling all right about this kind of event that happened with me, or this situation, or somebody spoke to me like this, and they visit, right? So the next step is, or the one which I'm talking today. Hi, I can see a lot of my friends joining there. Hello. So the third principle or the third tip which I'm sharing here is about acceptance. Let's accept it. Let's accept the fact, yeah, I'm not happy today. I'm not good, or something happened which I didn't expect. So accept the thing. Once you start accepting that you're not happy or whatever is going through, so then you automatically tend to come out of it. Till the moment you accept it, you're not really going to come out. You will still be into the same zone, right? I'm sure many of you can relate to it. When we get into some kind of mode wherein things really don't go well, and then we sit into that, it's just going on our head. Oh, why did it happen? Why did that person tell me? I could have told this thing back to him. I mean, this thing I should do, that thing. You're still into the same zone. I can see a few of you. Hello. So yes, so that's the thing. But the moment you accept it, accept the fact that, hey, I'm not happy, or somebody told something which I really didn't like, that very moment you start to come out of that feeling, and naturally once you come out of that feeling, you tend to be in a different mood, you tend to be in a different zone, and then you can start thinking properly, and you're moment out of it. So that's one thing, right? So hi, to be happy. This is what I wanted to say. So if you have seen my last two videos, I can see a lot of my new friends, I mean, who have not been earlier and joining in today. Hello everybody. So the first one I spoke about gratitude. If you remember on the first day, 2 days back, what is the importance of gratitude, what we need to be grateful about. And yesterday we spoke about comparison, not just comparison, the right comparison. That's where we go wrong. So do watch that. And today we are talking about acceptance. That is the simple quality. I mean, we all know, but many a times we don't do, right? When we get into that situation wherein we really are lost or emotionally attached in a situation, we don't tend to react to that, and we don't know what it is, right? So acceptance is the third important quality I feel we all need to imbibe. Not just, it's not something which is I'm telling it for you, it implies even for me, right? We are all emotional beings. We all go through ups and downs every day, every moment, every situation, right? So that's the thing I wanted to convey in this message, as to accept things, whatever be it. Let's say things are not going well. Let's accept it. It's not well today. Doesn't mean it's going to be the same way. The moment you start accepting, you're going to come out of that. And the moment you come out, you're in a total different mood. You're able to think, clarity comes out. And there you go. You're back again to your normal way of living, start thinking. And that's how you come out. Unless you don't do that, you tend to go deeper and deeper into it. So this is a tip. So please try to inculcate and try to follow. Thanks for the comments. I can see some good comments over there. People, thank you, friends. I mean, I'm sure many of you can agree to me. That's why I see that, all the thumbs up and heart signs coming over there. Yes. So that's all, folks. So this is part of the 10 days. So for the 10 days, I thought I should just take this up and share it with all of you. The main reason behind that, as I'm talking to many of my friends, my relatives, my known people, we are all in midst of the corona crisis that we know, right? And the life has totally changed for many of us. And it's like I can see many of you in a different zone. I mean, they're like, oh man, I don't know what to do. Things are not going in the right way. This is what I wanted to do. This is what I'm not able to do, and things. So that's when I felt, okay, fine, that's a fact. So let's see how can you cannot change corona. You cannot find a medicine and then tomorrow get to the market and make things. What you can do is you can change yourself, right? How you can be happy. Things happen outside. Doesn't mean that you have to get sad. How can you improve yourself, or how can you become yourself to be happy? So that's where I thought in this 10 days I'll share 10 tips which can really help people. And as many of you have seen, the first one was about gratitude and how to be really grateful. Second one was all about comparison, not just comparison, the right comparison, how to compare and whom to compare yourself and just be happy. And today as a third day, we are talking about acceptance. And accepting the fact that you are happy or unhappy, that itself can help many of us. So yeah, I see many of you still there continuing. I hope this has been valuable to you, and over the next few days I'll be sharing more of things which I feel is definitely a simple thing that we can do. It's not something we need to go beyond our limits or go out of the box or think out of the box to do. It's just very simple things, just we need to follow. And hi, someone says, Shankar, okay, can you give more examples? Yeah, sure, since you've asked and also in the interest of others. So let's say, I'll tell you an example which normally comes to these days. Okay, let's say the case wherein of Corona times, let's speak about here. So in Corona times, now things is like everybody is confined to home, right? People who are working, let's talk about that specific place. Someone who is working and confined to home in these Corona times. And what really happens is when you're at home, all your family members are at home. You are like, though it's your workplace, it's not really your workplace. Everybody at home, coming you, disturbing you, asking you for that, this, and in between your office work, boss calls you for a meeting, some team colleague wants to talk to you, and then you are like, oh no, why is this happening? And then you are like, no, and then finally at the end of the day you are, no, I'm not happy with what is happening. It would have been better if I had gone to office. That was much better environment and things like that. But just think for a moment, accept. Today you can't do that, right? Talking with today's principle, the last 3 days, I've told one principle. In today's principle, acceptance, you can't just change the things overnight. It's not going to happen even if you want to go out. So how can you be happy? Accept the fact. Accept the fact that till things end, you have to continue the same way. Or until your office asks you to come back to work, you can't change anything, right? So accept the fact and figure out ways how you can balance things. There are ways to do. But as long as you don't accept it, you will not find any alternatives, or you will not find any solutions. So accept the fact and then start trying out. Once you say, okay, fine, this is the way of life. I don't know, it's going to take 3 months, 6 months. I don't know how long I need to be working like this. Accept it. And the moment you see, then you start coming up with solutions. Okay, fine, maybe I should tell my people at home that to this time don't disturb me. I'll be in work. Or I'll allocate a separate space for me at home, or a separate room wherein I don't allow people to come. So, so those kind of solutions start to come the moment you are out from that sad or unhappy mood and you turn into yourself into a happy mood. So I thought this should be a good example which many of you can relate to, wherein you are all working from home. So yes, so this is a small tip for today. I hope you liked it. I can see many thumbs up and hearts there. Thank you friends. So yeah, as part of the 10-day series, today being the 3rd day, this is the 3rd tip, simple easy tip to be happy. So have a great weekend, and see you back again at the same time tomorrow. Thank you. Have a good day.